Everything. See that, guys? What is going on, guys? What's going on? And welcome back to your YouTube channel. I don't know, it's a crazy boy string bean / wildlife. And today I'm there with a brand new video phone again, and I don't know, it's always something brand new when I'm gonna see wildlife. But alright, long story short, today I'm there upon the beach. Do a little catch and cook with me. I'm a fisherman, Virgin them and some other people link up on something. However, we're going in the water and everything. I didn't expect a catch today because of how the whole sky is overcast and the weather and stuff like that. The sea is extremely calm, but it is dirty. But however, we managed to do some things and, you know, put together a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Everything wasn't caught and filmed because it was all scattered out in the water when we actually speared some fish and stuff like that. So some persons caught theirs off camera, but nevertheless we still managed to do something. And right now, show no how go on, and then we just jump right into it. Now always remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. Smash that like button, all right? Yeah man, sooner or later. Oh. Yes guys, right now we come back out of water in the morning. Sky bleak and overcast, but that now gonna stop we. We try to get a little bit of everything. So take out our go on in bag, make you see. You don't know my people, cause you don't know we're gonna do a nice cook up on the beach in the day. Yeah. You see what I mean? So everything count. Yeah man, see Kunta Kente over this today. Say my biggest diver Jamaica make. I lie. Yeah man, two bridge in the right, so now shallow are coming to the find one sea cat. You don't know everything up on the menu for today. And this is me. Yo, Crazy Boy Wildlife. You don't know enough people. Remember to like up the video, you know. Like up the video. You see me? Yeah. Yo, you mash down park, Kubalantin. Boy, my people, tell us I see next two shooter them here. We have one more virgin left out there. Watch ya, man.
Hold him up, Kunta.
Jesus. You see that, man? Watch it. Yeah, man. Nice. I don't know, so today go beautiful, people. Boy, a little rain out to come catch you now, you know, guys. But we not stop. Show must go on. Down. You boss, I'm mash it down, master. Watch you, man. Aye. String no look bad at all. Yeah, man, we have lunch. See whole life fish them, yeah.
Look at this one, I miss the way. And he go down first and turn back, me I say way.
Yeah, man. Not a bad catch. A little bit of everything for lunch today.
Watch your man.
Everything.
Every one of them have one big jack.
Yeah.
Every one of them have one jack behind.
Yeah. Guys, right now the rain come down upon we. But the show must go on. Can't make little water. Scare we, you know? Kunta, yeah, where are you, Kunta? Yeah, Kunta.
Yo. Look at me.
Where are you? Guys, I swear. Yeah, my people say you don't know we have a nice little skinfish as the same way. Just go and show no how go and see your table look there. Everything in a process same way. You don't know we have open lobster season now, so no problem to hunt them. Everything nice, man.
What do you mean? Kunta the same way.
Yeah, man. See Kunta Kente them guys. Look how name Kunta Kente.
First black slave.
Yeah, man. So I'll go on to my people, even though it's kind of rainy still, but I don't know. Alright, guys. So right now the rain there, but you don't know who there, and we got permission by this gentleman here to go and utilize the whole spot. The ideal plan was to make a fire somewhere if the weather, but you don't know, we got permission and give you the blessing for go and use the spot and provide us with grills and everything. So as you can see, there's the same way with some lobster and everything there. Grill right, you don't know, pack them and everything there, my people. So just go and get the fire blazing and something, and then get the show on the road. You don't know. You can't take your time, Kunta. You just say, you see, man, that's the first Kunta. You're struggling, you know? Yeah, man. I tell my people everything nice, man. I don't know. Yeah, man. So there I still say, you know, every step of the way, I'm going to bring on one thing. Yeah, man. I'm going to see what I go on. Same way. Seafood for days.
Squid
and what that? Willix. Squid and roast Willix.
Them something I make your girl, them something. Yeah, too loud.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my people, you don't know. See there? Yeah, man, fire up and running. Boy, smoke. Yeah, one see it there. Right spot this set on, you know. I'm telling you everything there, man. Everything there. Alright guys, so like me say now, we have a rice pot set on now. And you don't know, see the little steam stuff are going same way. Colorful and nice, man. Lobster, doctor fish, everything there. Everything my boss have sitting on a saw go and crumble already. Nice and easy, man. And easy does it, you know?
See my one me I eat.
Alright, so we're gonna season up some fish now, my people. And get back to the cooking part, you don't know, alright? Yeah guys, so see it there. Everything nice, you know? One bucket of fish, see now we have to turn to in a back of a van because the rain there, so we just go on a little seasoning. A nice little barracuda, that snit. So we have a little mixed season right, that's the same way and everything. Yeah man, see it on the boss. Season up on something, you know? Yeah man, no joke no night, my family man. Wildlife family, big up on yourself, subscribers, supporters, everybody big up on yourself. Remember to like the video, share and comment. See it there? Yeah. So I say that's so cool, you know, man. Could I? You know say one man could have caught. You see it there? That one or two big, so we have to score him. You know, give him the score on his side.
Yo.
And some style.
Cut him in a two, man.
And he already scored him in the inside.
I can't share for two, man.
Watch Kunta, yeah. Run gang go palm, go all around this side. Yeah, my people that want the car will not pass, so you have to cut up. Watch the man.
Meat.
Nice. Who meat?
Meat.
Yeah, tell him. Yeah man, the thing my boss man, say I don't know people say rice pot, season up, you know, we have a pepper with butter, everything.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we do it.
Yeah man, put in the rice and all that stuff. But I tell you guys, it's smoke wicked in us. Yeah man. Yeah, man, nice fresh catch and cook we are deal with an idea, yeah, guys. No jokes, you know? Yeah, my people, don't know. Don't you go on out and you're gonna fall and grab bites. I'm going to max up here. Woo! What Christine? Smell it. Rice pot active. Eh? Alive?
All party, guys.
Boy, people, watch out. The grill take time and shell down, you know? Yeah, man, we have to kind of blaze up this cause through the place cool, you know? Everybody there same way, man. You don't know.
You already know.
Blessings, you don't know.
Out.
Yeah, man.
Outside.
No joke about it, my people. My people, watch out now. Show them what I go on, my fan.
Yeah, the lead for the pens.
Yeah.
Where's
that name?
That is a lead for the pens. Yeah.
Put it on the way, see it? Yeah, man. I'm no joke.
Yeah, man, they went on the lead in them pens. Get some seafood.
Yeah, man, on a need fresh seafood like this, my people. That you don't know, man. It's a niceness, man.
Yeah, man.
Rain and fall and we there up on the block, same way, guys. Yeah, man. The seafood lovers. You know what fresh roast lobster look like, guys?
Yo, make him know.
Look there.
Brand new.
Fresh roast lobster. And watch you go on there, you see owner for that place here. You have some general around after the place. I'm going to give you the exact location. You can come from the beach here. Just not come with no garbage disposal and them thing there. Yeah, but you can come get grilled lobster, shrimp, every seafood right here, so. Now make sure I get the location to come around here, so, because tell you what.
Coral Spring, H10.
Round on the beach side.
Red lobster.
Yeah man, local side. You know, come around here, so guys, and remember me telling you, man.
If you don't find the local, you're gonna find Jamaica.
Alright, you don't know. Yeah man, watch us see man, them come give you all our blessings and so see them way. Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Guys, I tell me, I tell you guys, you see? Nice in idea, I tell you. Yeah man.
About 5, 6, 7, 8 months.
People know what it is. I squid head, you know? This name is Squid Head.
Brother, I'm saying my member say them business are going on.
Come on.
I see where it's rain come catch with trouble.
Yo, in a ball, my own. It's if the rain in a ball, near.
People? The people? Oh, let's see what I'm going. Excitement, man, and nice. You see, one bucket of fish, you chef them. Come on, I have to give them some space in the kitchen and what I do I go on, no? Yeah, man. Alright, good chef. For the Benjamin.
Yes. Sorry,
Just give me pint.
Yeah, sorry, I missed the call.
Try it, man. What's that?
Yes. Oh, no, we didn't get no line. We have, yes, we do have a line. You know, so we pass 2 pieces the land fish up. No, after that, the man.
What is that here? These are squid. These are squid. What is it? You know one piece I for this?
No? Ain't anything. Nice.
Yeah, it's cooked.
You ready?
Yeah, man. Goodness, it is. Yeah, if you will.
Teach you what you want to know. You know what's with it? You're nappy.
Yeah, man, guys, so see right now, roast with
So lion fish and use the money by beer, liquor, drink.
Oh, my son.
Yeah, man.
So who forget the money on a phone of fish? I said myself when I fish them.
Young people say show is still on the road and they don't know so what is happening. Hey guys, you see they just have cut up some of my ground provisions as you know the regular already. We have some onion, Irish, thyme, okra, scallion, carrot, country pepper. See them there? Everything there, man. Here, so I cut up something you know. Eh?
All me there too, you know. Yeah. Big up on us. I want me here. Outside me there. Man, here. Yeah.
Yeah, my people, so see it there. All our vegetables are cut up and everything. You don't know, so we playing almost land. Just bear with us a little, alright? Yeah, man, chef, do your thing, man. Now, all of you know my boss. Yeah, man, real thing, real thing. Yeah, man, do the thing now. Jaja.
Scope for me black.
You know, go like you want that shake green.
Don't play
Sometimes you want that shake like, guys, the flavor in this high, me I tell you, watch you, man. You know, watch you smell there. I tell you. Yeah, man. See fish them the same way, you don't know.
All of them are going to stick it.
Alright, my people, so right now, you have to reach down to where if you reach, you know. Put in the fish them and now make them go and mellow down. And you know, see after that, I eat things, you know. Yeah, man, so see it there. When you go and say make you bun in a Benji, what happened to you?
For in that kitchen, you have to get burned. Fresh out of the ocean, right into the pot.
Yeah, man. Can't want it better than that. Could have never want it better than that, man. Alright, guys, so until we start sharing things, we're gonna see what going on again here. Yeah, man. Boy, my people playing land, you know. One Dutchie of fish, you see that? And see rice over there, so they say generally I do some sharing, you know. And then after that, you know, the thing come down. Yeah, man, so when I boss him, time it, you know when this thing end. Yeah, man, so we'll do a thing, you know, my people, and show you how I go on, alright? Yeah, my people, so. Yeah, man, you see, I don't know, joke, my people. Yeah, man, see my boss, yeah. Yeah, man, I don't know. Atio. Sure? Yeah, man. Yeah, I think Benji and I say want to file it.
File it. Benji, as a crew man in your yard.
Yeah, man. Yeah. See it there. Yeah, man, my people, so see for me, you know.
Yeah, man.
If you look to the next side of the camera, watch out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't see me good. Take off yet.
Yeah.
You don't see me, don't know me.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
Boy, I show my people say this thing is colorful and nice. Right now, I go dig into it. You understand me? I say cheers. Yeah. Cheers. Come now, cheers. 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 Fisherman link up. Cheers. More life, man. You don't know, you know. Yeah, my people, so see what I go on here now. Hey, yo. My boss, you can't go easy yourself, man. What happened to you? But you have one Jamaican color. Yeah, my people. It's my one, I know. It may go and rip on, guys. I swear, me just there. I go on easy, I know. Everybody out there start eat for them. Yeah, man, I'm coming to San go and max up my own same here. It's truly a blessing, you know, guys. You know, if you live them way, it's actually really nice. It's a lifestyle to live where you don't have to worry about nothing or get up and you understand what I mean? Like, no negativity, always positive vibe. We just go out there today, catch what we can, come back, cook it up and enjoy ourselves right now. And it's a meal for everyone, you don't know. Everybody involve themselves and you see me? We just make it work. Just unite. That is all we need, you know. Just come together as one and just make things happen. But like always, now guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little one. Always remember to share the video, guys. Like, share, subscribe and comment. I'm trying to reach 50,000 subscribers by May. If that's possible, if you think I deserve that much, just help me out. Alright? Yeah man, see you in the next video. Peace out, God bless. One love, alright? Yeah man.
Bobby Johnson. Yo, this ain't one. Cheap on a pork
Pani grill.
That's a Bobby Johnson shit.
Yeah man.
Nah, stop man.
That is you're not giving them food.
Yes.
Dog eat different from big people.
Father Benji. You say I go on with. Easy work, eh?
Remember, you know, when I get my food, you know. Touch up this. Nah, man. I'm not going to come plate all now.
No, okra, none of green.
Alright, you see it? Look funny good. Look funny good. You must treat me.
Yeah, man.
Treat my body.
How would it sound?
Yo, look on the man fish. Man, hide this not die fish.
No, that's not hide. Not hide. I do okra. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my, look there. Okra.
Go green.
What funny about? Green up.
Yeah, man. It's a blessing, my people, man. You don't know, you know. Yeah, man. Blessing, you know. Yeah. Father, bless you, see him way. Ease yourself, man. I worry. Yeah? You don't worry yourself, man. See it, man. I wait for it, both.
I want to eat some food, man. I want to do.
Yeah.
Big nice fish and rice.
Same alright, man. You see that, guys? Not your man? It's a crumble up, man. Supposed to crumble up, man. Round us the same way. A serious thing I go on, man. Everybody nice.
Dog rescuers. Remember to tell them that we rescue dogs. These puppies will be in Canada soon.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what we do. Yeah, we're dog rescuers. So
yeah, man.
you know where to find us at H10 Hotel. If you guys want dogs, you know where to find us.
Yeah, man.
Any one of
Definitely.
these puppies. Here's another one here just coming up too.